See the fish we bought in Norway. Now we are cutting the fish for prepare for the jollof rice for the small children.
I want to see something.
Daniel, you want to cook? You want to eat it? Hmm?
Say.
You want to eat it? Then you look at the fish. Look. For jollof rice, for these small children.
Yeah, for blood rosary children.
Yes, all the children. See, I have a lot of people that help me today.
Yeah.
Auntie, cook well. Informa. I bet cook well, okay?
If my chukwa of my emana, only an result I got for China.
Yes.
Oh, one is you of my. When I got a pot again. Result don't got very well. Yeah. Emana, India, she not gonna total. I'm rocking up on the air. I'm gonna have an email. Oh, I gave up near the work to only. In case you not got his bone, I'm finishing uncle. The one we're cooking for a wood have more taste. It will bring the aroma of the food.
I only say
The taste of the food.
120%.
Yes, 120% of the taste will come out.
Auntie, yes or no?
Yes. Yeah, bag fridge. Ice fish.
Ice fish. Everything's in order. We are going to fry the fish. We are going to cook the rice.
Hey, unana take us. Ola ngana ye.
Fish.
Nka wazo. I will make it fry well or cook well,
Yes.
so we can enjoy.
Auntie, you hear? If the food is not, how to say it, baby, a turtle.
Eh?
How to say it?
Again.
If the food is not nice, how to say it in Igbo?
Oh, now the food only the India tohoto. Anya can hear you.
Turtle, that they are going to we are going to enter newspaper. Everybody will see that we cook.
You better cook well, so only got toto.
And then, yeah, go with it all.
Okay, I'm ready to have in the scenery. Yeah, I made a mistake. I'm going to get you to trouser.
Thank you. Why you not pray for yourself? Pray for everybody. Everybody, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank
This is the first round. We are going to have second one, third one. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye,
Thank you. Thank you. Ifama, is that your face?
Huh? It's my face now.
It's your face now.
It's my face.
You're too fine, no?
Hey, I find well.
Iru. You're a complete African woman. Con happy Rocco. I turn the other side. I did a Qualanoco. We're gonna hug a deca fuel.
It's not be small one.
Oh, the heat is too much.
You don't try.
I'm trying. It's okay.
Almost done, right?
Yes, almost done.
Am I not following?
You are following.
Yeah, you're following. You're doing well. You can cook very well, oh.
Not only me cooking.
Not only,
Auntie, they are
okay.
helping.
I thought you are the one that cook everything.
No, this big food past my power. I never reached this level yet. I need to still to learn 10 years more.
No, 10 years is too far. More 1 month. Just 2 days. The best wife ever. You cook more than my sister. See her, look at her face. If you ever on your child, I live on a kuzu case, she's singly.
I don't mind.
Mama Anthony, he came to our place and teaching my sister how to cook. Ọ dịkwa egwu.
No, they are teaching me.
If
So
I'm
they are the one teaching me.
gịnwa ka a ga-azụ ahịa na social media tata.
No,
Na onye debere ụmụ na-akụziri nwaanyị ụmụ ụzọ
they do the most work. I'm just doing small. They do the most work.
Mmehụla ahịa a na-ekwu. Ịhụla ya.
This one cooler is not enough.
It's okay. Be a cousin.
Like, is it the skin? Is it the skin you look like? Not the heart.
You don't try, sir.
You don't try.
You don't try.
Oh, you're Kwandiala. I hope it's delicious.
It's good.